Hi there and welcome back to Reviews by Roxy. My name is Roxy and in this particular video I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes and reviewing another really cool AI-based prompt project that will hopefully be able to help you within when you are building your own digital product empire. This review channel is here to give you a behind the scenes unbiased look at various different digital products. Today's video is I got review access to this particular product. Some of the products I buy myself and some of them I get review access as well. But bear in mind that I'm going to bring you my honest review here today. So this particular product, it is from a well-known product creator. He's known for providing a lot of quality, which is why I am so excited to review this particular one. His name is Daniel, and this particular product is a set of watercolor style art prompts in various different niches. It provides a whole library of different themes, different categories that you can create watercolor art work within. So this is the sales page we're on right now. And I think the thing that really drew me to this as well is the price as well. The bang for your buck, how much quality, how much value you're getting for such a small price point. And obviously, you know, time is money. If we can pay, my thoughts when I am investing in a particular product is, you know, the money that I am spending on a product, if I can pay my money and gain at least one nugget from there, something that I didn't previously know, or a way of doing things that I wasn't aware of, then I gain my money back. We cannot know everything, and it's all about learning and reinvesting what you've learned and what you've earned back into learning even more. And especially in this AI digital verse that we're in now, things are changing every single day, and there are new things to learn every single day. It can be overwhelming, but we just have to keep going and make it a natural part of our process, which is why I will continue to bring new products to you. And that will hopefully help you in whatever way within wherever you are on your journey. So going back to this, this is a set of watercolor art prompts that create really stunning AI images. And as you can see on this first kind of picture here, it's a selection of different prompts and different styles of art that you can create with what you will find within this product. So we've got kind of these gnomes here. It's like kind of woodland themed watercolor. We've got floral themed watercolor. We've got Asian, really beautiful countryside, and we've got some more woodland. And when I'm looking at these types of pictures, I can definitely see them maybe illustrating a children's book or a book. It doesn't have to be aimed at children, but a really high quality story, or even just as wall art for someone's home. So when we're scrolling through this sales page, it just gives you some background as to, you know, how valuable having a firm grasp on creating or investing in AI prompts that you can use in Midjourney or Bing or any of those other image generators that we have access to, that we're so lucky to have access to. This is a second edition. So there was a first edition of the watercolor art prompts that Daniel had come out with. This is the second edition because the first edition was so well received. And he's also letting you see some of the images that have been generated. So it gives you some behind the scenes. What we're going to do is, because I've got review access, we're going to just go through a couple of them and see what types of images we can create as well using these prompts. So here he's talking about the benefits of investing in something like this. And yeah, it's definitely time saving. If he's done the hard work so that we don't have to. We just copy and paste those prompts into Midjourney and we have what we need. We could even make a couple of changes to those prompts to make them our very own as well. So it's just a really great starting point, a really great foundation for us to then be able to create our own set of artwork. So when we're looking at what's inside this package, we have 300 new watercolor art prompts. These can be used in Midjourney, Leonardo, Dolly, and probably all the various other AI art generators. There's also a tutorial which I have had a look at, and it's definitely going to allow you to just sidestep all of the headache of learning how to use these various art prompts, it's just going to allow you to hit the ground running. There's also a bundle of ChatGPT productivity prompts, which are always going to be useful. ChatGPT myself, I try to use it as much as possible to kind of for my efficiency. So I am a mother of 3, I'm also a wife, and juggling just general life, and I work for myself. So juggling all those things can sometimes be very overwhelming. Productivity, and that's where ChatGPT and things that will help me to increase my product. And that's where trying to implement some productivity ideas or hacks using ChatGPT really helps as well. So these are going to be really helpful, as well as self-improvement prompts as well. The big draw to this particular product is that it's only $9.95, $9.95. It really is a no-brainer price. I don't really know what other value you're going to get by paying such a small amount. So it's definitely worth taking a chance at, because like I said, if you can get one nugget from all of these prompts that you're getting, even the video tutorial, then you've made your money back tenfold. So let's actually move into the actual product. So I'm going to try not to show you all of these prompts here. I might try to hide some of them, but I'm just going to copy and paste a couple of them over into Midjourney so we can just see the quality of what you're going to get. So here we are. So I've copied one. I am just pasting that. And then I'm going to just scroll down. I'm going to copy this one. So I'm just copying a bunch of random prompts here, just so that you can see what you're getting. And then I'll do one. So right now we're just waiting for those to be created. Okay, so Midjourney has done its thing, and as we can see, it's some really gorgeous images here. Look at this beautiful kind of watercolor scene of a meadow, fields, so colorful. You could definitely see this just as general wall art on, adorning someone's home. So really beautiful there. So this one is, I think, so there's various different categories of watercolor art prompts that are provided. So I think this is part of the food category. This is probably part of the floral or the landscape category. So as you can see, these are, a ripe, juicy basket of peaches, which, all you would do is then just swap out the word peaches for maybe plums or pears or apples. And so it's going to be a really great foundation for you to then use to create various other products, various other wall arts. This one's particularly beautiful, vibrant watercolor artwork, and it is colourful beach sunset with the sky reflected in the wet sand. So you can definitely see that sunset there. You can see that it's a beach, but the fact that the sunset is being reflected in the ocean, in the sea, that's why it is all these amazingly vibrant colours, because it's just a reflection of what you're seeing in the sky. So this is absolutely beautiful. This last one, I believe this is probably like a city landscape type prompt, and it's showcasing colourful facades of row houses in a charming neighbourhood, capturing the essence of urban living. You can definitely see this is such high quality. And the way that Daniel has been able to craft these prompts is just, going to make it so much easier for us when we come to create our own artwork, our own scenes, books, and just images in general for whatever project you may have. So that's a couple of the prompts there. And for this product, $9.95, again, like I said, absolute no-brainer. But there are actually some upsells if that's something you're interested in. And I can reveal those to you now. So the upsell one, it's just basically an additional 1,000 watercolor art prompts. So again, if you really are serious about investing in your artwork business or your image creation business, then that's going to be a no-brainer as well for an additional 1,000, definitely of this quality. The upsell 2 is a mega bundle of AI art prompts. So we've got watercolor, we've got photography and digital art. And then let's see what else there is. So the Upsell 3 is a prompts generator. And basically it's a copy and paste prompt that will make ChatGPT create detailed Midjourney prompts in any niche. So that's quite exciting, because then that's going to really help you to bypass any of the headache of trying to create a prompt from scratch. Again, it's going to just give you that foundation to be able to create your own library of prompts easily. So I hope you can see the value that's provided in this particular product, these 300 plus prompts, again, with the video tutorial and everything else that you get within that. And if you, but please, but to sweeten the deal a bit, I have my own bonus that I am adding into the mix of things. It's a set of prompts in a highly hot best-selling niche. I'm just going to show you the niche now. So the prompts that you're going to be provided with are in this best-selling niche. It's a wall art niche. It's eclectic wall art. Sometimes it can be known as maximalist or dopamine wall art, but it's quite eclectic, quite unique. And and it can also be known as trendy wall art as well. So various different iterations of this niche. As you can see on this first page of Etsy, we are seeing lots of popular nows, like it's literally, this first page is littered with bestsellers, popular nows, and probably Etsy's picks as well. So this is a hot niche. And as you can see, if we click into a couple of these, you can see that the artwork is very colourful, it's quite alternative, it's very eye-catching, really, really lovely. So in this title here, it says dopamine. So it's kind of and maximalist, and we've got trendy and funky. So it's definitely very eclectic. I overall would say it's eclectic wall art, but there are just various different ways that someone might describe that. So if we are just scrolling through, you can see all those colours, really, really vibrant. If we're looking at this, it's in 12 baskets, and so it's definitely making those sales, and it's definitely in high demand. Moving on to another product within this niche, it's a set of 100 prints. This is a bestseller. It's in 20 plus baskets, and it is a really decent price point, especially when the prompts that I provide you with, you're going to be able to just put those into Midjourney, get your images done, upscale them, create them into a bundle, and this is like a day's work or less than a day's work, half a day's work to create a set of 100 wall art prints that can then be printed out by the user, and they can make their own kind of wall art collage. This one is 220 prints. It's in 20 plus baskets again. This is a bestseller as well. And so this is definitely a really hot selling niche. Again, this one is £18, 20 plus views in the last 24 hours. And this one has PLR right as well. So my bonus, like I said, is a set of over 300 different prompts within this particular eclectic niche. I've got prompts within the florals niche, the faces and people. We've got animals and food and fruit. If I was to show you a couple of the types of artwork that would be created with these particular prompts, you can see this is kind of an iteration on fruit. This is a really lovely animal print here. This is the faces print, and this is kind of fruit and food as well. And as you can see, they're really colourful, really vibrant, really eye-catching. And here's another example here. If we're looking at another email that I've sent out recently regarding this, we can see this is someone's face, really vibrant, kind of vaporwave type feel. This is a toucan here, and these are florals, and this is food as well. And if this is something that really draws you in, then these prompts that I've created as a bonus are going to really hit the mark for creating artwork within this niche. So the bonus that I'm offering is what you will receive when you purchase that really cheap front end offer. And then there are some additional things that you will get if you purchase anything further. So we have come to the end of this review today. I hope I've given you some really insightful background knowledge as to this particular product, These watercolor art prompts are going to be fantastic if you sell on Amazon, KDP, on Etsy, on Pinterest, on your own website, everywhere else in between. It's just going to be a really great springboard for you to create a whole library, a whole plethora of artwork and images, illustrations, in various different niches. As I said, Daniel always provides really high quality products, and for such a small investment, it really is a no-brainer. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and until next time, all the very best.